In this video, we'll show you how to clean and replace the cleaning roller on your hard floor cleaner. To begin, we'll press the locking button to take off the cover. Remove the dirty water tank and drain the water from the inside. Then we press this side release button to push the roller out. Please remove the plastic part afterwards. Now the cleaning roller can be cleaned in the washing machine at a maximum of 60 degrees with a light spin. With the cleaning tool, hair can be removed. And the brushes can be used to clean the inlet nozzles. The freshly cleaned roller can either be immediately reinstalled in reverse order, which I'll show you in a moment, or if you want to work with it dry, you can place the roller in the park and place it in the cleaning station to dry. For assembly, just follow the reverse order of disassembly. First, attach the plastic piece. Insert the roller. Insert the dirty water tank. Attach the cover. To remove light dirt from the cleaning roller, you can also try the following method. Insert the battery and places the hard floor cleaner in the docking and cleaning station. Insert it, switch on, and keep pressing the boost button until both LED lights start blinking. The program runs and shuts off automatically. You can also find further information about our hard floor cleaner on our website.